Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 26, 2024, and I'm down by the ponds. Gonna do a little bit of work down here this morning. Um, it's drying up some, but but that's a relative term. So it hasn't been raining in the last 24 hours, so that's good. So I had excavated out another section over there yesterday morning, and then called it quits down here. I think what I'm going to do, since there's a significant drop off right here, and that's kind of bony, there's gravel and bony, really rocky material in there. I'm going to take some of that, put it in here. Yes, it's still muddy, but that's what I think I should do at this point. I want to get some of that material out of there and try to make somewhat of a ramp here. I'll drain that bit of water out first, but and then I'll open up a section down there, and this is blocking off the pile that I put there yesterday, is blocking off the spring-fed well that's overflowing and working down in there as well. So moving that, and then I'll decide what to do after that point.
I woke up to the sunrise, a brand new day, clear in the sight where the pond will lay. Elon the Hulk and the grain machine, with its excavation buckets keeping it clean. It's another day, clear in the sight where the new pond will shine in the soft moonlight. Takes many days and so much might, but we're growing a better tomorrow in this beautiful fight. Root and rock, grapple, and the tree grabber too. Chainsaw humming, muscles pushing through. No bulldozers or shovels, just power and skill. Building our dreams with iron and will. It's another day, clear in the sight where the new pond will shine in the soft moonlight. Takes many days and so much might, but we're growing a better tomorrow in this beautiful fight. Root and rock, grapple, and the tree grabber too. Chainsaw humming, muscles pushing through. Picture the water so clear and so blue, reflecting the sky where dreams come true. For creatures great and small, a haven we'll make. In this labor of love, there's no time to forsake. The wildlife are watching as we do the work. Deer, beavers, birds, and abundant wildlife lurk. Through the sweat and the grind, through the long hard days, we see the future in 1,000 ways. It's another day, clear in the sight where the new pond will shine in the soft moonlight. Takes many days and so much might, but we're growing a better tomorrow in this beautiful fight. With every stone moved, with every tree felled, we're crafting a legacy where nature dwells. Another day, another step in our grand design, for a beautiful natural pond where life will intertwine. It's another day, clear in the sight where the new pond will shine in the soft moonlight. Takes many days and so much might, but we're growing a better tomorrow in this beautiful fight. Yes, we're growing a better tomorrow. We're all candlelight in the beauty of the pond, in the soft, gentle light. In the heart of the land, where the fields stretch wide, nature's symphony plays. with birdsong as our guide. From the first light breaking to the dusk's embrace, I pen down these lyrics, capturing each grace. With AI as my ally, my words take flight. Songs of the land, from morning till night, with birds and nature's chorus, sweet and strong. Life's lessons and stories in every song. I write of the mornings with the sun's gentle rise, and the evening serene under starlit skies. From the planting and tending to the harvest's yield, every moment cherished in the songs revealed. With AI as my ally, my words take flight. Songs of the land, from morning till night, with birds and nature's chorus, sweet and strong. Life's lessons and stories in every song. If I could impart what I've come to know to the younger souls as they start to grow, in the quiet of nature, in its gentle call, there's wisdom to gather for one and for all. There are songs of resilience in every seed song, of patience and nurture as they start to grow. Through the changing tides and the winds that blow, these songs of the land, they continue to grow. With AI as my ally, my words take flight. Songs of the land, from morning till night, with birds and nature's chorus, sweet and strong. Life's lessons and stories in every song. So here's to the melody that nature sings, to the rhythms of life and all living things. With AI and my lyrics, this journey I trace in the songs of the land, where beauty finds its place. Everybody talks about financial, the money in the bank, but there's more to life's investments than just filling up that tank. Material wealth surrounds us in tools and things we own. Living capital's nature in the seeds that we have sown. Investing in these 10 forms of capital, not just in the financial, but in ways that make us whole. Material living, intellectual too, experiential and social, all of the view. Intellectual pursuits in the knowledge that we gain, experiential wisdom in the lessons that remain. Social bonds that bind us in communities we trust, cultural roots that ground us in empathy and love. Investing in these 10 forms of capital, not just in the financial, but in ways that make us whole. Material living, intellectual too, experiential and social, art of the view. Intellectual pursuit in the knowledge that we gain, experiential wisdom in the lessons that remain, social bonds that bind us in communities we trust, cultural roots that ground us in empathy and love, spiritual beliefs that lift us when we're down, physical health and fitness in the strength we've found, mental and emotional in the hearts we grow. All these forms of capital help us overflow the flow. It's so important to be a better version of ourselves, to invest in all these pillars for our future and our health. From financial to material, living and beyond, in every form of capital, help us over life that's strong. Let's grow a better tomorrow with the seeds we plant today, investing in these values in every single way, for a life that's rich and full, and a future that is bright. In these 10 forms of capital, we find our guiding light. There's a life all around us, just open your eyes, in the gardens, in the fields, beneath the endless skies. I see the birds and bees dancing in the sun, their tiny lives a part of the whole, all in one. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore, chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing, life all around us in the smallest of things. In the forest, deer munching, fawns by their side, nurtured in the wild with no place to hide. Tracks in the moonlight was here last night, a story in the footprints, nature's silent sight. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore, chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing, life all around us in the smallest of things. In the forest, deer munching, fawns by their side, nurtured in the wild with no place to hide. Tracks in the moonlight, who was here last night, a story in the footprints, nature's silent sight. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore, chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing, life all around us in the smallest of things. Close your eyes, take a breath, feel the earth's embrace. There's a rhythm, a pulse in every living space, in the rustle of the leaves, in the whispering breeze, in the symphony of nature carried by the trees. So let's cherish this wonder, the life that we share, in the gardens, in the forests, it's everywhere. With open hearts and eyes, we'll see it anew, life all around us in every shade and hue. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore, chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing, life all around us in the smallest of things. There's a life all around us, just open your eyes, in the gardens, in the fields, beneath the endless skies, in the footsteps of the night, in the morning's gentle rise, life all around us, a gift to realize.
forest by the stream, there's a little team, working day and night, making dreams serene. They gnaw and they build with their mighty bite, creating ponds and wetlands, such a wondrous sight. Oh, beavers, nature's engineers, building homes, fighting floods through the years. With their dams and their ponds they create a haven for wildlife, a balanced state. In the forest by the stream, there's a little team, working day and night, making dreams serene. They gnaw and they build with their mighty bite, creating ponds and wetlands, such a wondrous sight. Oh, beavers, nature's engineers, building homes, fighting floods through the years. With their dams and their ponds they create a haven for wildlife, a balanced state. Slowing down the rivers, holding back the flow, they prevent the floods when the rains start to blow. In their wetlands rich biodiversity thrives, fish and birds and plants in their vibrant lives. Slowing down the rivers, holding back the flow, they prevent the floods when the rains start to blow. In their wetlands rich biodiversity thrives, fish and birds and plants in their vibrant lives. Fish and birds and plants in their vibrant lives. In the droughts they provide a watery embrace, keeping streams alive, a life-saving grace. Trapping sediments, cleaning waters clear, they protect the earth year after year. In the droughts they provide a watery embrace, keeping streams alive, a life-saving grace. Trapping sediments, cleaning waters clear, they protect the earth year after year. They protect the earth year after year. They prevent erosion, hold the soil tight, keeping banks secure in day and night. Beavers teach us well how to live and give in harmony with nature. In balance we can live. Oh, beavers, nature's engineers, building homes, fighting floods through the years. With their dams and their ponds they create a haven for wildlife, a balanced state. So let's celebrate these creatures so grand, helping us to heal our precious land. Beavers show the way to a better earth. In their simple lives we see their worth. Final, wild lives we see their worth.